Welcome back to Cliburn Kids. I'm Buddy Bray. I'm your host for these programs. We come to you from downtown Fort Worth. We're at the Steinway Piano Gallery. We have a very special program for you today. I have another special guest that's going to help me with the program. It's a program called Rabbit at Top Speed. Now, we all know that rabbits are very fast-running creatures, but this is a different sort of rabbit, and it's a different sort of speed. I've enlisted my friend Corrie Donovan to help me with this song. So we are going to let you watch it twice. And the first time, here's what I want you to listen for. I want you to listen for what the composer means by rabbit at top speed. It might not be exactly what you think. Take a look.
Riker, we weren't expecting you. When you have a sudden guest or you're in an awful hurry, may I say, here's a way to make a rabbit stew in no time. Take apart the rabbit in the ordinary way you do. Put it in a pot or in a casserole or a bowl with all its blood and with its liver mashed. Take off a pound of bristle pork, finely chopped as fine as possible, and little onions with some pepper and salt, say 25 or so. A bottle and a half of rich claret. Boil up and twist a minute on a very hottest fire. When boiled a quarter of an hour more, the sauce should now be half of what it was before. Then you carefully apply a flame, as they do in the best, most expensive cafes. After the flame is out, just add the sauce to half a pound of butter and flour and mix them together. And serve.
That was Rabbit at Top Speed. You were watching Corrie Donovan sing it for you and sort of cook the recipe for you. So now you know what the composer meant by rabbit at top speed. It wasn't a rabbit running around. It was a frantic cook trying to get a rabbit cooked. And this is based on an actual recipe. The composer thought it would be clever to set a recipe to music. The composer of this, by the way, was Leonard Bernstein. He was one of my heroes. He was a towering figure in American music. He not only wrote music, but he also conducted orchestras. He was a really great piano player as well. He wrote books. He taught students. He did just about everything a musician can do. Now, this next time through Rabbit at Top Speed, here is what I want you to try to remember. I want you to see if you can pick out from Corrie's singing all the ingredients that went into her rabbit stew. There was more than just the rabbit, okay? So let's see how many you can come up with. Watch it again. Here it is.
When you have a sudden guest or you're in an awful hurry, may I say, here's a way to make a rabbit stew in no time. Take apart the rabbit in the ordinary way you do. Put it in a pot or in a casserole or a bowl with all its blood and with its liver mashed. Take off a pound of bristle pork, finely chopped as fine as possible, and little onions with some pepper and
Once again, that was Rabbit at Top Speed, Corrie Donovan singing it beautifully for us. And she had a little help, of course, from Riker Donovan Gandy, who is her dog. Okay, did you remember what the ingredients were? Besides rabbit, there's more, right? There's breast of pork, I think I remember. There's salt and pepper and onions, butter and flour, maybe a few more ingredients you might have picked up on. That's our show for today, Rabbit at Top Speed. Corrie Donovan is going to be back in our next episode. She's going to do a song called I Bought Me a Cat. Thanks so much for watching Cliburn Kids. We'll see you next time.